Morning students, in our yesterday class we studied about network security threats. As we know that threats are anything that has the potential to cause serious harms to a computer system. And today we discuss about the network security concept. What is network security? It is the process of physical and software preventive measures to protect our networking infrastructure from unauthorized access, malfunction, destruction, misuse, modification, or improper disclosure, thereby creating a secure platform for computers, users, and programs to perform their permitted critical functions within a secure environment. Network security measures are needed to protect data during their transmission and to guarantee that the data transmissions are authentic. Network security concepts and what are the different types of threats. And network security threats types, first is passive network threat. In passive network threats, cyber attacks employ non-disruptive methods so that the hacker does not draw attention to the attack. Passive attacks are usually data gathering operations, which means they usually employ some sort of malware or hack that eavesdrop on system communication activities such as wiretapping and idle scans that are designed to intercept traffic traveling through the network. Then we have active network threats. These cyber attacks are often aggressive, blatant attacks that victims immediately become aware of when they occur. Activities such as denial of service attacks and SQL injection attacks, where the attacker is attempting to execute commands to disrupt the network's normal operations. Viruses, worms, Trojan horse, spam, malware, denial of service attacks, and password crackers are examples of active cyber attacks. Denial of service attacks are those attacks that prevent the legitimate users from accessing or using resources and information. These types of attacks may eat up all the resources of the system and bring the computer to a halt state. Viruses are the programs that copy themselves throughout a computer or a network. Worms are self-replicating viruses that exploit security. Then Trojan horse, they are malwares disguised in what appears to be legitimate software. Once activated, Trojans will conduct whatever action they have been programmed to carry out. Spams are the mails, your mailbox becomes full, sending mails against spam mails जो हमें send करते हैं spams. These are also a kind of viruses. Malware is a file or a code typically delivered over a network that infects, explores, steals, or conduct virtually any behavior an attacker wants. So these are the examples of active network threats. Now computer virus. We have already discussed about the computer virus in yesterday class. Computer virus is a malicious software program loaded onto a user's computer without the user's knowledge and perform malicious actions. Now common types of computer viruses are resident viruses. They are set up in RAM and middle with system operations. Then we have multi-parity viruses. These infects the entire system. Direct action viruses. This virus targets a specific file type, mostly executable files, .exe files. Browser hackers easily detected the virus type, infect the browser and redirect to some other website. Overwrite virus, like the name implies, overwrite virus overwrites file content to infect entire folder, file or a program. Web scripting virus. This virus disguises itself in the coding of links, ads, images, videos and site codes. It can infect system when users download malicious files or visit malicious websites. File infector, their target is to infect executable files. Network viruses, they travel through the network connection and replicate themselves through shared resources. Boot sector virus, one of the easier viruses to avoid. The virus hides out in a file on a USB drive or email attachment. When activated, it can infect the system's master boot record to damage the system. Now, how we will prevent our computer from viruses? First, open emails carefully, even coming from your friends. Install antiviruses and keep it up to date. Scan your system regularly. Browse safely and download files carefully. These are some of the measures which we use to prevent our computer from viruses. Thank you.